I had my first I had my first request for magic yesterday. That was kind of cool.
We got some pow pow today. Proper pow pow. And I'm on the magic carpet, yay! I don't mind it. As they say, it will snow again. This will not be the last one. And to be honest, I don't really mind it. I prefer teaching people. If I can get people from the magic carpet, get them linking turns, so they can go and enjoy the pow pow on Plaza, then that's good enough for me. There will be other days where it snows, other days where it's like this. I care not. But yeah, everyone else still have an amazing day. But I guess you're training for an hour, so I get an hour of slashing, bashing, doing whatever I need to do to get better. So you need to really get into that open hillside position with the little bit of tilt thing going on, and then figure out how I can get a toe side the level 3 way rather than the level 2 way, should we say. And the level 3 way confuses me because in my head I can figure out what movement I need to do it, but then that would create quite a high edge angle. Unless I can push down on my heels or something, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I need to see it on video really. I need to see what it looks like on video and then work it out. I thought I was a thinker, turns out I'm a...
It's been 6 days in the ski resort and this instructor hasn't had a private for a little bit of a while now. And he's starting to get a bit antsy. Wow, we went from like Northern to Welsh there. That was kind of cool. Northern. Day 6 without a private. This instructor, can he afford to eat? Please book him so he can have a meal. Nah, it'll be fun. We have things on the way. I'm really hoping the Australian family of O'Keefe's book a private, because they did do exactly what I asked them to do so far. Like they did level 2, and then they're like, oh, what do we do now? I'm like, just go have fun. And I guess the correct answer as an instructor is, yeah, you should definitely book a private. I'll bring you wherever you want to go. Sell. But I was literally like, no, look, you've just finished your level 2. That's fantastic. Go and just, like, all 3 of you, because they're like 2 brothers and sister. I think their dad as well. I was like, just go on Plaza or on the magic carpet and just reinforce what we're doing here. And then once you've got it and we're not falling over, then book a private, and then we'll expedite your process up to like greens, right? And they did. I was doing a lesson yesterday and they turned up on the left. I was like, hey, how's it going? They're like, yeah, we're practicing. I was like, good. Yeah, so the hope is that they will do that. And the other guy, Callum, I think his name was. Callum? Connor? Callum. Pretty sure it's Callum. Sorry, Callum, if your name's Connor. And sorry, Connor, if your name's Callum. He's the one that is in the position where his girlfriend is a very like ski, snowboard orientated father-in-law. Hey, you can't do anything, man. And he's like, right, that's it. I'm gonna learn to snowboard. You've done really well. I'm hoping that he comes back and does some more, because that would be cool. And I had my first request for magic yesterday. That was kind of cool. So we had to wait a little while, so I started doing jokes at the top, and then I did magic in this gondola on the way back up. And I had the same people for the afternoon lesson, and at the end of the lesson I was like, okay, cool, so do you have any questions? This is what I would do if you want to book lessons, blah blah blah. Carried on, all that jazz, all that good stuff. And I was like, anything else, just let me know. And they went, can you do some more magic in the gondola? I was like, yeah, of course. So I get out my cards, I'm like, But yeah, it's cool. She put her snowboard upside down, so we actually had the table, and then we used the snowboard table. But yeah, that was sick. Fantastic. So it does mean that people like it, or some people like it at least, even though their face doesn't always show it. And that was the best comment I had yesterday. I was like, out of interest, guys, am I weird? And they went, yeah, 100%, but it's a good weird. And I'm like, yes, that is the look I'm going for.